Hello kids, let's learn to Sunday Monday यानी week's name. This is color. First color sky blue color, pink color, blue color, light pink color, brown color, orange color, red color, yellow color. Kids, Hindi and English. Sunday Monday week's name. Yes, UNDAY. Sunday means रविवार. MONDAY. Monday means सोमवार. TUESDAY. Tuesday means मंगलवार. WEDNESDAY means बुधवार. THURSDAY means गुरुवार. FRIDAY means शुक्रवार. SATURDAY means शनिवार. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.